Introduction with less than a month until the start of the 2025 tax season, today's update focuses on 1. Ongoing recovery rebate credit refunds being sent to over 1 million taxpayers. 2. Common causes for rejected tax returns and how to resolve them. 3. Important tax transcript codes to monitor your refund status and identify potential delays. Recovery rebate credit refunds. The IRS is actively sending recovery rebate credit refunds of $1,400 per tax filer to approximately 1 million eligible individuals. These refunds apply to those who did not receive the 2021 economic stimulus payment, did not claim the recovery rebate credit in subsequent tax filings. How the payments are being sent: direct deposit. If eligible, payments will be deposited into the bank account on file. Paper check. Taxpayers without direct deposit information on file will receive a paper check by mail. The refunds are expected to be completed by late January 2025, and no action is required from eligible filers. If you're receiving this refund, the transaction may appear as IRS Treasury 31Z in your bank account. Avoiding rejected tax returns. A significant issue filers face each year is having their tax returns rejected. Common reasons for rejections include 1. Incorrect information mismatch. Social Security numbers (SSNs) ensure all SNs entered for yourself, dependents, or your spouse are accurate. Name discrepancies. Verify that names on your return match those on the Social Security card. 2. Missing identity protection PIN. If you've experienced tax identity theft, the IRS will issue you an identity protection PIN annually, but failing to include this PIN when filing your return will result in rejection. 3. Claim dependents. If another filer, e.g., an ex-spouse, claims the same dependent, the IRS will reject one of the returns. In such cases, supporting documentation may be required to prove the legitimate claim. Tax transcript codes and their importance. Creating an IRS account to access your tax transcript is essential for monitoring your tax return status. The transcript provides more up-to-date details than the "Where's My Refund" tool. Key transcript codes to watch for: 1. 150 code confirms that the IRS has received your tax return. 2. 806 code represents the tax withholdings from your income, e.g., from your paycheck. 3. 971 code indicates the IRS has sent a notice or letter to you. Common problematic codes: 1. 570 code indicates your return is on hold for further review. The IRS may request additional documentation or need more time to address discrepancies. 2. 424 code signals that the IRS is examining your return for potential issues. 3. 420 code audit code indicates a formal audit, which typically involves providing documentation such as dependent verification for credits, e.g., child tax credit, earned income tax credit, business records and bank statements for self-employment income. 4. 810 code represents a refund freeze, often due to ID verification requirements. Completing this step promptly can help release your refund. Cycle codes located in the center of your tax transcript. Cycle codes end in 01, 02, 03, 03, 04, or 05. These codes indicate when your tax transcript and refund status will update during the week. Many taxpayers report their cycle codes end in 05. Final tips for the 2025 tax season: 1. Double-check all information on your return, including SSNs, names, and bank account details. 2. If you've changed your address, file IRS Form 8822 to ensure you receive any mailed correspondence. 3. Avoid filing too early in the season to reduce the risk of ID verification delays. 4. Consider creating an IRS online account to access your transcripts and monitor return progress.
Let's talk about an amazing opportunity. We're hosting a $1,000 giveaway. To participate, follow these 4 simple steps. 1. Subscribe to the 100% Financial Freedom channel. 2. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications. 3. Like this video to support our cause. And 4. Comment "I love 100% Financial Freedom" in the comment section. We will randomly select 2 lucky winners, and the giveaway date will be announced soon. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. We hope you found this information valuable. 100% Financial Freedom is here to support you in good and difficult times. Take care and have a great day. Stay tuned for our next video.
Introduction. In today's update, we'll cover the latest developments just 1 month away from the 2025 tax season, including important steps tax filers should take before submitting their returns and updates for those still waiting on 2024 tax refunds. This includes news about over 1 million taxpayers receiving refunds from the Recovery Rebate Credit. New refunds and Recovery Rebate Credit payments. Next round of 2024 refunds. The next batch of 2024 tax refunds is set for release on December 26th, as confirmed by tax transcripts. Direct deposit. If your refund is in this batch, most direct deposits will arrive by the refund date. Depending on your bank, posting may take up to 5 additional business days. Paper checks. Those receiving paper checks should expect delivery within 5 to 7 days, though delays of up to 30 days may occur. If you have not received your refund within this time frame, you may need to initiate a payment trace with the IRS. Recovery Rebate Credit payments. The IRS recently announced plans to issue automatic payments this month to eligible taxpayers who didn't claim the Recovery Rebate Credit on their 2021 tax returns. These payments will be issued automatically and should arrive by late January 2025. Eligibility. This credit is for individuals who missed one or more stimulus payments. Payments will be $1,400 for individuals and $2,800 for those filing jointly. Payment method. The payments will be direct deposited or sent via paper check. Eligible taxpayers will also receive a letter notifying them of the payment. Several viewers have already reported receiving their payments, with transactions labeled as IRS Treasury 31Z. Key steps to prepare for the 2025 tax season. As the tax season approaches, consider the following steps to avoid delays and ensure your return is processed smoothly. 1. Gather all wage documents. Ensure you receive all necessary wage forms, such as W-2s and 1099s, before filing. Filing without all forms can result in discrepancies between your return and employer-reported income. This could trigger a 570 code on your tax transcript, which freezes your refund until the issue is resolved. 2. Avoid filing too early. Early filers often face the highest delays due to ID verification issues. To reduce the likelihood of delays, consider waiting until the second full week of the tax season to file. 3. Create an IRS account. Set up an online IRS account if you haven't already. This will allow you to view tax transcripts, which can provide insight into delays, e.g., 570 or 810 refund freeze codes. Check refund release dates, often before the Where's My Refund tool is updated. 4. Update your address. If you've changed addresses in the past year, complete IRS Form 8822 to notify the IRS of your new address. Be sure to also update your address in your tax preparation software to avoid refund delivery issues. 5. Use free online tax filing. Many taxpayers qualify for free online tax filing but end up paying unnecessarily. Consider using the IRS Free File program or platforms like Free Tax USA to save money on filing. 6. Double-check bank account information. If you're opting for a direct deposit refund, ensure you enter the correct bank account details. Refunds sent to incorrect or closed accounts will be returned to the IRS, which will then issue a paper check to your address on file within 30 days.